Alphanumeric. So let us study what is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric is a term encompassing all the letters in a given language set as well as the numerals, alphabetics and numerals. Alphanumeric characters are there comprised by the combined set of the 26 alphabetic character A to Z and the 10 numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In some cases, it may include upper and lowercase letter punctuation marks and symbols like at the rate and star like this. This type of reasoning is a mixed bag of coding decoding. This type of reasoning is a mixed bag of coding decoding, series based series based reasoning and finding positions based reasoning questions. One of the most scoring question type in any competitive exam is alphanumeric series puzzles. These questions are high scoring as they can be solved very quickly. Learning shortcuts to handle these types of questions will significantly boost our reasoning score. Definitely. Hence, let us try to practice all many questions as we can. Some points to remember. Keywords suppose following, followed by, preceding, and preceded by. Let us consider two successive alphabets that is M and N. Here M is preceding N and N is preceded by M. Also N is following M and M is followed by N. Now let us take three successive alphabets like X, Y, Z. Here X and Y are preceding Z, but Y is immediately preceding Z, whereas X is not immediately preceding Z. Similarly, Y and Z are following X, but Y is immediately following X, whereas Z is not immediately following X. Suppose example, study the following digit letter symbol sequence carefully and answer. Look the series. Suppose 4, P, plus, S, R, 9, B, hash symbol, A, 3, question mark, 7, C, greater than, Z, percentage, 6, D, and Q, at the rate 1. The question is, write in a reverse order, then which letter, which is right to fifth and left to 16th. Important. Which is right to fifth and left to 16th. You see just. Answer. Just reverse it. 1 at the rate Q and D 6 percentage Z greater than C 7 question mark 3 A has B 9 R S plus P 4. Just reverse it. And you see the right to fifth is 6. Right to fifth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. So it is 6. And left to 1, left to 16th is has 4P plus SR9B has left to and left to 16th. Left to 16th. Oh, left to 16th. That means 16th from first one. Left to 16th. That means suppose 1 at the rate Q and D6 percentage Z greater than C7 question mark 3 A and hash. So it is left to 16th is hash. Question 2. How many numerals in the series and how many alphabet and how many symbols? Oh, yes. How many numerals? Numerals mean suppose 1 is there and 6 is there, 2, then 7 is there, 3, then 3 is there, 4, then 9 is there, 5, and 4 is there. So there are 6 numerals. And how many alphabets? You see, suppose Q is there, and D is there, and Z is there, C is there, A is there, B is there, R is there, S is there, and P is there. So there are 9. So there are 9 alphabets. And how many symbols? At the rate, and percentage greater than question mark and hash and plus. So there are seven. So you can face like these words in the question in competitive exams. But this is not the sufficient question. But if see one see when the series is in reverse order, then which element will be fifth to the right of 16th element from the right end? You have to understand. When the series in reverse order, then which element will be fifth to the right of 16th element from the right end? That is the questions. So that again you have to see it. So what is the position? Just you have to see detail. And we find now the 16th element from the right end is percentage and fifth to the right of percentage is a question mark that you have to see and very rightly reflect in your answer. So you have to answer the right thing. Okay, another question. Which element is seventh to the left of 16th element from the left in the above original sequence? That means the original sequence is given 4, P plus S and so on. From this original question, you have to select your answer. The 16th element from the left is percentage. Now we move 7th to the left of percentage, which is capital A, and hence A be the right answer. Okay. Now again one question. How many such numbers are there in the above sequence, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant and immediately followed by a symbol? So you have to see seriously the given series and you have to analyze yourself and give the answer. Let us check for the sequence consonant number symbol. There is only one such case in the above sequence. A 3 question mark. Thank you.